Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe. Kia ora, kōrua. Flying kites is just the most fun thing to do.
Kia ora, Koka. It's the best.
The wind is blowing nicely as well.
The wind makes the kite swerve left and right. If the wind is too strong, it might carry the kite away.
You'd better be careful. What colour is the kite?
It's Parauti, brown. Would you like to hold the kite? Yes, please, Or. I'd like that. Thank you for thinking about me.
Now that's really cool, Tākaro tribe. Sharing is caring.
Oh, I can feel the wind tugging at the kite. Hold on tight, Air. Oh, I'm really sorry, Or. The wind was too strong and the string broke. Kei te pai, Air. It's not your fault. Let's go and look for it. We should all go. Let's mahi-tahi, work together to find the kite.
Ka pai, Tākaro tribe. It's good to think about each other and mahi-tahi, work together.
Which direction the kite went. Come on, Tākaro tribe. Let's go and see Pāparākau.
Ka pai, Tākaro tribe. Safe travels.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, wakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero. O te ao marama aue.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe. How are you all today?
Kia ora, Pāparākau. We're sort of okay. Our kite got blown away by the wind, so we need your help to find it.
I'm sure I can help with that. But before I can do that, Pūkeko needs your help.
Kia ora, Pūkeko. What's the matter with Pūkeko, Pāparākau?
He's very worried. He says he saw something very unusual by his home.
Beside the river.
That's right. He believes he saw a taniwha.
Oh, Pukeko saw a taniwha.
Maybe you should go and have a look, Tākaro tribe.
Ka pai, we'll follow Pukeko. But what about the kite oar? Who is going to look for it? The kite can wait, Pukeko is very worried, so he comes first. Come on, Pukeko. You lead the way. Just a minute, Pukeko. Let's ask the forest for help.
Ka pai, Tākaro tribe.
E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te mauri ka whakapiki, ko te mauri o ngā tamariki a tāne mākuta. Te mauri ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taiki e! It's the letter R.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro tribe.
Bye, Paparako. Ka kite.
Aha ka mana para tawa ngā pā, e heke mene pere te wenepe, I hiki mini piri tiwini pi, o hoko mona pora tawa ngā pō, a e, I o u, uhuku muna piri tūne fu.
Where did taniwha live, Kōka?
In a den by the river, or in a deep pool, or in the sea. Taniwha are there to help or let us know to be careful.
Okay, Kōka, we'll be careful. Where did you see the taniwha, Pukeko? I can only see parodi, brown tree trunks. Did you really see a taniwha, Pukeko? I can see a pair of eyes looking down at us. Is that you, Taniwha? What are you doing hiding up in a tree? Come down here. Perhaps Taniwha can't hear you.
Maybe the forest has given you a clue.
Let's look at the letters.
Can you read what it says?
R, U, E, R, U, E. Rui, rui. Rui, rui.
Rawe, rui rui, to shake down.
What a good idea. Let's rui rui shake the tree so the taniwha will fall down. It's not a taniwha. It's the manu tuku tuku. Yay! We've found the kite.
Well done, Tākaro tribe. You've found the kite. What colour was the manu tuku tuku?
Parodi, brown.
Let's look at other things that are parodi, brown.
Parodi. 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 Parodi.
Time for you all to visit Kōka.
Yora tangariki ma, noho mai ki taku taha.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro tribe.
Anna!
Shall we look at the things you did?
Anna!
E and O were flying the kite when a gust of wind blew it away. Pukeko thought he'd seen a taniwha and was very worried. You learnt to spell the word ruirui, r-u-i, r-u-i, ruirui, to shake down. You saw something up a tree and had to ruirui the tree to shake it down. You succeeded in finding the kite and Pukeko stopped worrying. Ka pai, Tākaro tribe. How do you all feel now?
We feel happy! Happy!
What a fun day, Tākaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pōmari e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Good night!
He mea tautoko
Ko nā te manga.
Pa,